That's what I say, I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession. Do me wrong, do me right, do me right. Hey guys, what's up? It's Naya. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these big bouncy curls right here. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. Okay guys, to start out, I'm going to be brushing out my hair, making sure that there's no tangles or kinks in my hair. And plus you get better results if your hair is fully combed or brushed out versus just starting out without doing it. Okay, and now I'm going to be dividing my hair into two sections. And now I'm taking the comb. I'm going to be leaving out just a little bit in the front because that's where I'm going to be starting. And as I go, I'm just going to be taking hair out of each section. And I'm going to be taking fairly small sections because I really want my hair to have a lot of body. And now I'm taking my curling wand. This is by Hot Tools. And the temperature that mine is on is 430. Now, if you're doing this on your real hair, I wouldn't suggest going above 400. But this is weave, so I am definitely safe. And now I'm just going to be taking the hair and wrapping it around the wand, making sure that I get my roots because that is what gives it a lot of body. And I'm going to be holding the hair on the wand for about 8 to 10 seconds. And now I'm going to be scrunching up the curl to pretty much just help it set. And now I'm about to take another piece and pretty much just do the same thing. I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel. And I'm going to hold for 8 to 10 seconds. Now, a lot of curling wands come with the glove. I've been lost mine a long time ago. So I've definitely burned myself maybe like 20 times in this video. But I got tough fingers, so I was good. But yeah, you just want to slide the hair off the wand. Hold the curl so it helps set. And yes, this hair is hot, so be careful. But yeah, now I'm about to do the same exact thing. And this is really repetitive. I'm pretty much just going to be doing the same thing throughout this video. Well, this section kind of big. I didn't even notice that. But yeah, I'm going to be doing the same thing throughout this video. And I'm not going in any like particular direction when I curl the hair. I'm just picking up random pieces and just going in either direction with the hair. And I feel like doing that kind of helps out with adding body. Okay, and I fast forwarded and I'm heading towards the back of my head, doing the same thing, wrapping the hair around the wand, holding it for 8 to 10 seconds, sliding it off, and then holding the curl. And y'all excuse my face in this video. This is my concentrating face. And once again, you do want to make sure you get your roots. Now in the back, it was a little bit hard for me because obviously I couldn't really see back there. And you also want to be very, very careful. Like I said, I did burn myself about 20 times filming this. Okay, fast forward. Now I'm at the front with these last couple of pieces. And I'm pretty much just, doing the same exact thing. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm just going to be fluffing out the roots, shaking out the curls. Really want to just pick them out to add some body to it. And now I'm holding my head upside down, picking out the roots and shaking the hair just for more body and volume. Now, as you guys can see, doing that really did add a lot of body to it, especially in the roots. And now I'm just playing with it a little bit. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial on how I achieve these big bouncy curls. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all next time.